Suppose you are an exporter. Here, you are going to, receive money from abroad, $1 lakh. You are long in dollars. You're going to take a short position. That means you're going to buy a put. Okay. So on 22nd of December, he has to, he saw the screen on the stock exchange, and you are going to receive the money on 27th of February. Okay. Importer had taken January. Here we have taken 27, which is the last day for the expiry. Now, option strike price of 83 is available at 0.20 premium, and expiry is 27. So let's go to this thing. So these are the various, available data on the stock exchange on that day. So you had a strike price of 82, 82.5, from 82 to 84. So these were the available window, and the spot price is same, 83.17. The premium is changing. Here it is just the reverse. What happens is a premium at 82 is the lowest. The 82 is the out of the money, and 84 is in the money, because I have sold the dollars by, entering a transaction. I have sold somebody the dollars at 83. आज के डेट में बैठ के मैंने डॉलर्स बेच दिए. When? On or before expiry of 27th of February. So I have got a right from someone that I'll come to you and sell my dollars. When? Anytime before 27th of February. Right to sell. So I have sold dollars. Okay, fine. I don't have dollars, but I've sold it. Okay. In stock market, you can sell it even if you don't own anything. So you have sold. So that means you can sell the dollars by, assume that it is 27th of February. So you're given a right to someone that, I'll give you the delivery of dollars on 27th of February. Okay, fine. So 27th is the date. And by paying, you have paid a premium of 20 paisa for getting this right. For getting this right, you have paid a premium to someone who has accepted your bid. That, okay, I'm willing to take the dollar from you at 83, because he is expecting it will go opposite. I'm going to pocket the premium because the dollar is going to, go up rather than to going down. So if it goes up, then I'm not going to exercise, isn't it? Then I'm going to go away. Then the movie is not good. I'm going to opt out. So he's going to pocket the premium. Okay. But then when I saw this 82, now here my profit starts from the strike price. Okay. Today, what is the dollar rate? 83.17. And what is the strike price I've chosen? 83. So 83 becomes very important. Okay. Now, if the dollar goes to 82, now here I have chosen what? Strike price of 83. Okay. Fine. Sorry. So my profit will start from 83. If the dollar goes to 80, I make a profit of 3 rupees. Because I've sold somebody at 83. Okay. Something at 83, which is actually on that day becomes 80. So I'm making a gain of 3 rupees. Okay. Okay. Just listen. I have sold dollars at 83. I have sold the dollars to you. What's your good name? Hanji, Vibhuti. Vibhuti, I have sold the dollars to 83 rupees. Now, when on 29th of February or whatever, I said, okay, I'll sell you the dollars and you have at 83 rupees. Now, on 29th of February, suppose dollar is at 80. You're going to buy the dollars at 83. If you would have bought from the market, you would have bought at 80. How much you are losing? 3 rupees. How much I am gaining? 3 rupees. But we are not going to settle like this by taking a physical delivery. So we are going to exchange 3 rupees, isn't it? So whatever the strike price I choose, that determines my profit. So suppose I choose 82, okay, and if the price goes to 83, sorry, what was the price? जब मैंने आपको कितना बताया था 80, तो अब आपका gain loss कितना है 2 रुपए, and my gain is how much? 2 rupees. So if I choose 82, then my gain is going to fall, isn't it? And your loss is going to fall. So the premium is going to be less. It's out of the money. Okay. If I choose 84, I have sold the dollars to you at 84, and the price happens to be 80 rupees. Okay. Then I'm going to make a gain and you're going to lose because I have sold the dollar at 84 to you. Okay. And the dollar has come down to 80. Okay. So that means you have to buy the dollars at 84 from me. If you would have bought from the spot market, you would have bought at 80. How much you are losing? 4. How much I am gaining? 4. So you make a more gain at 84, 83. They become in the money and 82 becomes out of the money. Okay. Fine. Have a look here. Have you followed that? हाँ देखो इसका जस्ट का ऑपोजिट है, हाँ मोर इन द मनी. So that means the premium is influenced by many factors. We are going to learn that. Okay, how the premium is determined. So premium depends on a lot of factors. So one is the strike price. So strike price determines your gain or loss. Okay, you can take in the money or out of the money. Out of the money में आपको premium कम देना पड़ेगा, आपको gain limited हो जाएगा. Okay, that is one factor. Second is how much time you have. Suppose you have more time. Okay, so then the chances of dollar reaching to that point is going to be much better. If I have just 1 month window, or if I got 3 month window, then the premium will also shoot up. Fine. If you take a car insurance for 1 month or car insurance for 1 year, where the premium is going to be more? 1 year. Because then the insurance company is offering you an insurance cover for 1 year. So the premium is going to be 20,000. Suppose the insurance company says we can cover your car for only 1 month. Then you don't require because your intention to sell this is मुझे 1 महीने की car insurance. If it was available, then the premium would be only 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees. So premium can go up and down based time till expiry is one factor. The second factor is the strike price, and there are some others also, which that's the volatility. Okay, we're going to cover that later. That is going to be covered tomorrow when we do the stock prices. Okay, so here, so what was this? Let's just complete this and then ask your questions. I know that asking the question at the time when doing it is always better, but just hold on because you'll understand each and everything. So here, I paid a premium of 0.2050, okay, which means, I have bought and put options of 100 contracts. So number of contracts, again 100, okay, because each contract is $1,000. So I'm going to buy a put option here, call option if you are an importer, put option if you are a exporter, because put option gives you right to sell, call option gives you a right to buy. So you want an option to sell, okay, fine. Here you want just the opposite. You have an option to sell the dollars. Okay. Now, why you are selling it? You are choosing a strike price because I'm going to sell at 83 and the dollars today at 83. Fine. It goes in my favor because if the dollar goes to 81, I'm protected. Fine. I've sold somebody dollars at 83 in advance, assuming that the rupee is going to appreciate. That's my hedging point. No? If the dollar appreciates, I'm happier and should not take a hedging risk. Okay, I should not cover myself. So since I'm assuming the rupee is going to appreciate, okay, so I'm in advance. I'm saying I'm going to sell you dollars 83, and you accepted it. So at least my $1 lakh is safe now. Even if the rupee goes to 81, I'm not going to get the shock of rupee appreciation. That's why I'm hedging. For that, I paid you a premium of 20,500. Is that okay? The last box. Now, what happened? Two scenarios. First, the rupee appreciates. It goes to 82. Okay, from 83, it has come to 82. The rupee has appreciated, dollar has not appreciated. Dollar is depreciated. Okay, so the rupee has appreciated. So I am happy. I've taken a hedge. And that is what my worry was. If rupee was appreciated, I would have lost. Instead of getting 83 rupees, I would have got 82. Because the spot price was 83 at that time when I, on December when I was booking this order. So I was thinking that I'll get 83, but today is 82. I would have got 1 rupee loss. 1 lakh रुपए पे $1 पे 1 लाख का नुकसान हो जाता. So now he is going to exercise his right. Okay. How much he is going to get? 1 lakh gain. But how much premium is paid to do this? 79,500. So his net gain is reduced to 79,500. So exporter is going to receive 82 lakh rupees from from the banking channels, because the supplier is going to, he has to pay because you are an exporter. You're going to get the money from abroad. So he's going to send $1 lakh, but your banker is going to give you 82 lakh rupees. Okay, because the rate is 82. But your net inflow is how much? 82 lakh 79,500, because you gain by taking your hedge. You have got 1 lakh you gain, but you paid a premium. Okay. Now it looks that the premium is very heavy. Okay. But I'll tell you how to reduce your premium in this thing. Okay. You can reduce your premium also. I'll tell you that. So he is hedged, and he's getting 80. His position is at 82.79. That is whatever the strike price minus the premium here. Okay. So that will be his hedging. In case of a call option, it was premium strike price plus the premium. Here is the strike price minus the premium. Okay. because he's going to gain only if the dollar falls below the premium. If he has chosen a strike price of 83 plus the premium, उसके नीचे जितना डॉलर गिरेगा उसका गेन होगा. Or when you buy a call option, it is a premium plus the strike price. After that, if the dollar goes up, you make a gain. Okay. So this all we are going to do for today and tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to understand the stock prices also. Assume, now what happens? Assume that the dollar rate is 84. Okay, fine. So now you're not very unhappy. We are very unhappy about it that I have taken a hedge position. Okay, because the dollar has gone to 84. So what will you do? You're not going to exercise your option. The movie is bad. You lose 20,500. Okay. The exporter will receive 84 lakhs. He's very happy. The first leg on his, he's going to get $1 lakh. Bank is going to 84 lakhs. So his net inflow will be 83 lakhs 77,500. Isn't it? So he gains on dollar appreciation. So he can always, walk to the contract when the dollar moves in his direction. When the dollar doesn't move in that, he's going to exercise it. Okay.